And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back at you with another video, man. In this video, we're gonna be finishing up the install on my wife's car, man. If y'all do remember last video, I was gonna hook our auxiliary battery up, but I didn't have the lugs to do so. I had one set and I needed another set, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. Actually ended up finding some more wires that already had the West name on them. Some of these wires old, but you know what I'm saying, I got everything I need to complete the install today, y'all. So if you're here watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Smash that bell, y'all. But we gonna get straight into the video. I ain't gonna drag the intro on because y'all already know what it is. I did make some changes in the trunk, which y'all are gonna see. I turned the subwoofer enclosure around, really for no particular reason besides aesthetics. I like when I drop the back seat, I can actually see the subwoofer and the port is facing inside the vehicle. So, you know, when you drop the back seat, pressure coming through the cabin, basically making the car kind of sort of hatchback, if that's safe to say. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So y'all gonna see that too, man. But we gonna get straight into it, man. This your boy Bass Addict. We are okay, guys, so as y'all can see it look like it's about to storm, so we're gonna try to beat the storm. It shouldn't take that long to do this. Man, then I already got everything pre-wired. So what I am gonna do first, y'all, I am gonna disconnect that way I can take fire from this wire. I already got another wire ready to go from the battery to the amp, and we're gonna be good to go, y'all. So with that being said, let me knock this out real quick, y'all, and we gonna see what we got going on. Pop the trunk right quick. Let me see. Y'all can see that. Okay, like I said, I ain't pushed the box back yet. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm thinking it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, it's the next one. Okay, so we gonna take that off and get right back at y'all. Okay, so as y'all can see, we got the fuse out, 300 amp fuse. Now I can go in the back. I can come back in the back, y'all, and I can remove this panel, and I can remove that, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so we have the ground disconnected, y'all. We're gonna disconnect the hot wire and disconnect the ground wire from the amplifier. And when we do that, we're gonna change our ground wires, because like I said, I already got one ready. Well, two of them ready, so let's get it, y'all, before it starts storming. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got both the wires disconnected. Now we gotta put a lug on this, and just imagine the battery right here in this area is gonna sit right here on the battery, and I got another wire with a lug on it to come from the battery to go back to the amp. So y'all get where I'm going with this, man. Y'all get where I'm going. But as y'all can see, I'm sweating bullets, man, and the sky ain't looking no better, y'all. So with that being said, let me put the other lug on here, y'all. Try to get this shit done quick as possible, man. Fairly simple job. I just checked the voltage on the battery, and the battery's still charged up, so that's good. So let's get this done, man, and hopefully I can get y'all a demo and hopefully, you know, it's a difference, y'all. Let's get it. If y'all can't tell, I had to change shirt. My Nike shirt started getting pretty sweaty, man. I ain't want to wear my new shirt up, so I changed shirts, man. It haven't started raining yet, but I skipped a couple steps. I skipped a couple steps, y'all, because like I said, I'm trying to beat this storm, y'all. So I skipped a couple steps. Only thing I got to do now is hook my hot wire up and run the hot wire from the battery to the amp, and I'll be done with this battery install, y'all. Let me show y'all where we at so far. All right, so as y'all can see, I got the ground hooked up and ready to go. I got the hot wire, got the lug on it. It's ready to go, and this is the one coming from the battery going to the amp. So we gonna be ready in a second, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder or not, but we gonna be ready in a second, y'all. So let me go and wrap this on up and see if it gonna come on, and I'll give y'all a quick demo before it starts storming, y'all. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I'm shot up in the car. It started raining on me, man, so I just sat on in the car to complete everything, but I don't know if y'all can see that. Everything pretty much ready, man. I'm getting that ground wire right there. I'm getting it, and I'm actually getting ready to put that in the amp. And then the only thing I have to do is put the fuse back in it, y'all. Clean my mess up, and hopefully we got some good fire going on here. And hopefully we can tell the difference in the system with that battery hooked up, y'all. So hopefully it wake this amp up, have those subs pumping and jumping even harder. We gonna see what we got going on, y'all. It's hot in this motherfucker. It's rough, y'all. I can't even lie. It's rough. Okay, guys, we done. It rained. I'm out the car. As y'all can see, I'm sweaty as hell, man. Hard work pays off, though. So let me flip the camera out and show y'all what we got so far, man. And y'all see all the debris I got to get up, man. I'm gonna get all that up, man, but y'all can see what we got going on. The battery is finally hooked up, and I had the subs turned that way. Like I say, for no particular reason, I just like the way it look. I just like the way it look, y'all. So I may end up turning them back around. I don't know yet, but we're gonna ride with it like that for a second and see, you know, if there any type of difference. But if not, you know, we'll keep it like it is, y'all. So let me give y'all a couple demos, show y'all some flex on that car, and they're gonna conclude this video, man. If you watch this video this far, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell, y'all. I'm gonna keep dropping content, man, for sure. And I got something coming for that truck real soon, y'all. Real soon. We're gonna talk about that on another video. This your boy Bass Addict, baby. We out. Then my cousin all-time favorite demo song, Cabin Fever. If y'all ever get a demo of Cabin Fever, this is 9 out of 10. This is what y'all gonna hear. So this demo right here of my wife's setup is dedicated to him because this is all-time favorite demo song. So let's get it. Let's see what she do, y'all.